Hey everyone, and welcome back. Working with editors on content? In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp's free plan to collaborate seamlessly with comments and tasks. First, create a task for each piece of content like blog post, top 10 tips. This is the master task for that project. Inside the task, use the description to put the draft. Link to the Google Doc, or outline your requirements. Now, use assignees to tag the editor responsible for that piece. You can assign multiple people if needed. For feedback, use comments. The editor can leave comments on specific parts of the description by highlighting text and clicking the comment icon. This keeps feedback contextual and organized. You can also use subtasks to break down the editing process. Create subtasks like first edit, fact check, and final proofread. Assign these to different team members and set due dates for each step. Turn on notifications so everyone gets alerted when a comment is made or a task is updated. Finally, use custom fields to track status. Add a content status dropdown with stages like draft and editing ready for publish, and that's it. This system gives you a clear, organized workflow for managing any editing project with your team for free. If you collaborate with editors in ClickUp, let me know your best tip in the comments. See you in the next one.